In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs to review and manage suggested edits. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just editing a document, knowing how to effectively handle suggestions can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Once there, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account if you haven't done so already. After successfully signing in, your dashboard will load, displaying all your existing documents. Next, locate and open the document that contains suggested edits. This is typically a collaborative document where changes or comments are suggested by other collaborators. Once the document is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find an icon that looks like a pencil. Click on this icon to ensure that your editing mode is correctly set. You want to make sure it's set to editing mode so that you have the ability to approve changes or manage comments. If it's not set to this mode, simply select it from the drop-down menu. Now, with the document ready for editing, go to the top menu and find the Tools tab. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Review Suggested Edits. Choosing this option will open a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is a comprehensive overview of all the changes that have been suggested by your collaborators. It's a great tool for seeing what's been proposed without having to scroll through the entire document. With the Suggested Edits panel open, you'll see each proposed change clearly laid out, giving you the option to go through them individually. If you've reviewed all the edits and decide they're acceptable, you can efficiently manage them by clicking the checkmark button at the top of this panel. Next, you'll see an option to accept all, which will implement all the suggested changes in one click. This feature is particularly useful for quickly finalizing documents with multiple edits. However, there might be instances where you decide that the suggested edits do not fit the context of your document. In such cases, you have the option to remove all these suggestions. Simply click the X button and then select Reject All. This choice allows you to maintain the original content without manually rejecting each suggestion, and that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly manage suggestions in Google Docs, keeping your documents polished and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Workspace tools.